Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of smart business spending in 2025, you're going to love this tutorial on how to use the Divvy virtual card. Divvy is a powerful tool designed to help businesses manage expenses more efficiently, offering virtual cards that enhance security and control over your spending. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger team, this feature can streamline your finances and reduce fraud risks. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to sign up for a Divvy account. Head over to the Divvy website or download the app from your phone's app store. It's quick and free for basic use. Once you're logged in, verify your business details. This might involve entering your company info and linking a bank account. Don't worry, it's all secure and straightforward. Next, generating your virtual card is a breeze. In the Divvy dashboard, navigate to the Cards section and select Create Virtual Card. You'll be prompted to set spending limits, expiration dates, and even restrictions on where the card can be used, like only for travel or office supplies. This is perfect for 2025's emphasis on customizable financial tools. Now, for the fun part, using your virtual card. You can add it to your digital wallet, like Apple Pay or Google Pay, for seamless transactions. When making a purchase online or in-app, simply select the virtual card as your payment method. Divvy will instantly track the transaction, categorize it, and send you real-time notifications. Plus, with 2025 updates, you might see enhanced AI features for automatic receipt matching. One key tip: always monitor your card's activity in the app to catch any unauthorized use early. Divvy's robust security, including one-time use options, makes it a game-changer for preventing overspending or fraud. In conclusion, mastering the Divvy virtual card can save you time and money in 2025. Give it a try, and let me know in the comments how it's working for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.